Good morning. This is Mrs. Carr. Today is Monday, April 13th, and I hope everybody had a great Easter weekend. Even if you didn't celebrate Easter, hopefully you had a good weekend anyway. 3-day weekend. Very nice. So I'm here for your rundown this morning. We are looking at fossils on science. So this week you're going to look at this image. Okay, you'll click on that, open that up. Okay, and then all right, and then you're going to look at this and think of this image as evidence of the past. Okay, so this is going to start thinking get you thinking in the right direction. Make sure you read all of this. Think about these questions while you're looking at these pictures. Okay, then you're going to come over here and click on that, open up this article, and as usual you can print it off if you want that hard copy. If you even have a printer, you're welcome to do that, or you can read it directly from the screen. Okay, then from there you can also click on this Duxter's website, and it's simply a little bit more information about types of fossils, collecting fossils, interesting facts about fossils, and even, I know I scrolled down, there's an even, you could take a little quick quiz about it if you wanted as well. Okay. Then once you're done with that, you have your discussion questions for today. So you're going to go back to your Schoology tab. You'll be in your Schoology tab, week 5, April 13th through 17th on Monday. And down here you will see the discussion post. And that is going to be these, where'd it go? These exact questions here that you need to go ahead and reply to. As usual, please remember to make sure you're answering all the questions that are listed there. Make sure that you are answering full, complete thoughts. Okay, please don't skimp. And as usual, if you want, you can type it in as well as do a recording of your voice if you don't want to type. All right, guys. Then once you're done with that, you're going to come over here and you're going to open up this. It's asking you to complete or make this Venn diagram. And again, you can print this off and do it directly from or print this off so you can have the hard copy, or you can copy this off of the screen. But you are completing this Venn diagram to record how sedimentary rock and fossil formations are similar and how they are different. Once you are done with that, please take a picture of it and post it in the back in your Schoology. You can message your teacher here. So you'll come to your message, click new message, and then upload it that way. So here, so you can click file, and then you would upload your picture from there. Okay. Or you can discuss it. You can type the different things that you wrote in your Venn diagram. If you don't want to take a picture of it, or can't take a picture of it, or can't upload the picture, you can list what you have similar. You can list what you have on one side for different, and you can list what you have on the other side as different. So you can type that in there. And then that is, keep doing that. And then that is it for today. All right, guys, you all have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.